Today we're making red bell pepper soup. The ingredients you're gonna need for this soup is gonna be garlic, red onion, sun-dried tomatoes. You don't need basil for this soup, but I found this amazing plant at the local Whole Foods. Let me tell you something. If y'all could smell it, y'all would love it, okay? So we're gonna put some basil in this soup today. Cashews. I have water inside this bowl. And my client who I'm standing with, she asked for some peppercorn medley, extra virgin olive oil, okay? And if I didn't mention red bell pepper, that's what we'll be putting inside the soup. You can take your bell pepper and you can cut it in little cute bite-sized pieces, or you could be hood and ratchet like I'm gonna do, and then just break it open with my hand and drop it inside of the Vitamix, okay? This soup is gonna come out hot. That's what the Vitamix and the Blend Tech is known for. So what you'll do is you will blend the soup until it's hot. So we got our red bell pepper in here. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and put in the basil. So I'm gonna stick it down in there, and I'm gonna dump in the cashews. You could do like 1/4 of a cup, guys. All right, we gotta put our garlic in, okay? And then I'm gonna sit this up here on top of the Vitamix so you guys can see. I'm gonna cut this onion, probably 1/4 of an onion, so it wasn't half. We're gonna drop that in there. Oh, clean your veggies. I cleaned everything else, I guess, but this. So for those of y'all saying, oh, she nasty, she didn't even clean that onion. Whatever. All right, we're gonna put that in there. Okay. Sun-dried tomatoes. Sun-dried tomatoes will go in here. A big heaping teaspoon, okay? My client, like I said, she asked for the peppercorn. I'm gonna put a little bit of that in there. Some say you should only put pepper on your food after it cooks. Now, I'm going to just pop it. Okay, yeah, that wouldn't be enough. I want to see if I can get. Okay, well, yeah, I can't do that. I have no choice. I have no choice but to just do it like this. All right. Put some pink salt in there. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and pour my water that was in this bowl. I'm going to pour that over in here, and I'm going to turn it on, guys. You see the water going into the soup? It's going to be delicious. All right. All right. We're going to turn this on. All right, guys. Let's pull it back so y'all can see it. And whatever other vegetables you want to put in here, seasonings, feel free to do so. I need to put the top on it. And we're going to turn it on. All right. All right.